What's up guys, Brad here with Shiny Tech Things, where we tech things seriously. And on today's show, I'm going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing and setup of this GoVee LED lights that I'm going to go ahead and set up here for my son. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, I'm going to just go ahead and open this up. There's not really a whole lot inside of here to do like an official unboxing. Basically, you just have the lights themselves, a manual, some other stuff here about like what not to do. And then your power connection. Also have a alcohol prep pad to be able to wipe down any surface you're going to be putting it on. And then also these little little tracks, racer tracks that they got the 3M sticky stuff here on the back, as well as some screws as well. So I'm going to go ahead and just take this, and there we go. We can go ahead and undo that. And then we just connect that right into here. And you got the 3M sticky on the back here. Got the power. It looks like a cycle button, and then also a light button. And then we got the plug here that goes right over to the LED strip itself. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this protective tape, unravel it just a little bit. I'll put this back over so it doesn't fall out on accident. And then you can see there is a little lip right here, and that is going to go underneath this tooth. So we just go ahead and connect that right in. See how that fits right there. And then we go ahead and just plug this guy in. There we go. Alright, so now that it is on, looks like when I push this bottom button here for the light, it goes ahead and cycles different patterns or whatnot. And then this middle one just switches it to a solid color, so that's kind of cool. And then we got off. Alright, so now that we have this plugged in, I downloaded the GoVee app. And as you can see right here, I'm going to go ahead and just press this plus up at the top. And look up the model number here on the box. It's a H6159. And I can go ahead and just type that in, H6159. It's a model number. It's the product. It's the product itself. Alright, so now that I got that, I'm going to go ahead and tap on it. Now, it should be searching for it via Bluetooth. I just tap the button there, and there we go. So I will go ahead and rename this. To Vincent LED, hit done. Now it's searching for Wi-Fi. Now earlier I went ahead and connected to, I have a house network that is dedicated for the Internet of Insecure Things, but typically people call it IoT or Internet of Things, but really it's Internet of Insecure Things. Anyways, I'm in here, I've got my house network. I'm going to go ahead and paste in my password over to that Wi-Fi. It's a giant password. Hit done, and then wait for it to connect. Alright, so now there is a update to the firmware, so we'll go ahead and upgrade that now. They have optimized music mod. Or maybe music mood is what they meant to say. Maybe somebody has a meme out there on English.com about this. Let me know in the comment section down below. Upgrade. And now we just hurry up and wait. Surprisingly, it's not like watching paint dry. It's more than half done already. Device restarting, and now it's all blinking here. Let's hit the power button. Says it's on. There we go. Cool. So there we just go ahead and set a color, or it looks like they have special Thanksgiving dinner effect. Not sure how this is going to show up on the camera. I'll turn off the light there. So I'm going to go ahead and show you here with the lights off. That's kind of cool. Funny, this is the green, shade of green, but it looks more like a turquoise. Looks like there's some DIY videos, I guess. There we go. So down here you can fine-tune the color to exactly what you want. And you can also change if you want it to be a warm or a cool white. Alright, you can turn the light back on. Alright, so this is pretty cool. That's just the basics to it. I'm going to go ahead and let my son play with it and see what he comes up with. So again, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, go ahead and make sure you slap that like button. And if you didn't like this video, then go ahead and slap that dislike button twice so that we know that you mean it. Now also, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and also turn on the notifications if you want to see all the videos that come out. And I will catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching.